Hey. Hi, my name is Lateria, and today my research paper is on. Oh, I gotta share my screen first. My research paper is on GLP, the effects of exercise intensity of GLP-1 in healthy females. Um, so firstly, GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide 1. This is a naturally occurring hormone in the body that controls blood sugar, um, appetite, and digestion. The shots we get, like the GLP-1 shots that are more normalized today, they are actually a synthetic version of this hormone, and they're mostly used to control like type 2 diabetes, obesity, promote weight loss and good eating habits. There are different types of GLP-1s. Our research paper doesn't quite go into depth on what GLP-1s they are, but they do say that it is a GLP-1. Um, we just don't know which one they use. And when I say that, I mean like I'm not sure if it's semaglutide, tirzepatide, Ozempic, Wegovy, or anything like that. I just know it's a GLP-1. So the abstract here talks about the acute hunger response trial of 9 women, age 30, BMI of less than 23.5, um, across 3 categories of exercise to study the effects of the GLP-1. So they do have a standard for healthy women. They don't provide race or anything like that, but they do provide like the BMIs, VO2 max, and things like that. Um, the moderate intensity continuous training that they use is 30 minutes at 65% VO2 max. Um, they do have an all-out cycling sprint. They do it 6 times for 30 seconds and with a 4-minute recovery. And then the control is no exercise, of course. So I'm going to enlarge on this a little bit so that we can see the effects of the control, the moderate intensity, and the sprints. So the change in GLP-1 relative to baseline before the exercise, immediately after the exercise, and 90 minutes after the exercise. And we came to the conclusion that the GLP-1 increased and were about the same during both MICT and SIT. GLP-1 increased in both categories of exercise. It's no clear understanding of the correlation between hunger regulation and GLP-1s, only the feeling of hunger. And I guess that's where the appetite control came in. I'm not sure, but our, oh, excuse me, I may have gone to the wrong. Our actual article kind of goes into a little bit more um, about these sessions that we put the women through. So there was session time interactions for the GLP-1s, um, where SIT and MICT were higher compared to control both immediately and 90 minutes after the exercise. Um, it goes into something called PYY, but I only did the GLP-1 version of this um, this research. And yep, that is the entirety of my research. And thank you.